This is a quick installation video for the Cozmo racing wing. When you order it, it'll come with 3 pieces. You'll have the main attachment, that's the attachment that goes to Cozmo's body. Then you get a black and a red wing. So what you do with the Cozmo attachment is you flip Cozmo up, push it on from the bottom at an upward angle. You'll hear it snap on, like so. Then you want to flip Cozmo over, put your 2 forefingers on the top, and you push upward. And there's actually a little silver line right there. You want to go to that first, up just above that first line. That way Cozmo can still charge while he's wearing his wing. And then on the wing itself, there's a rectangular cutout. You just line that up. Make sure that you hold the bottom attachment at the bottom, and push down. It's secure, it won't come off. And the same thing with the black one, rectangular cutout. Put that on, push down. Again, very secure, won't come off. Again, Cozmo will charge while he's wearing his wing. To take it off, pop this off. Push the main attachment down. And I like to grab my forefinger on the top here and you just kind of pop it off. It's pretty simple. I probably would need an adult to do it for a younger child, but that's it. Thanks for watching.